Next one, come from big social media, come say, a girl deal with him bottom wicked. Next one.
She told me that I'm a faggot.
Over the controversy surrounding Buju Banton's son, misunderstood what Jazil Myrie actually said in that interview. Foota Hype jumped on live and started calling out Majah Hype from Jaii Frais and Khago over the controversy surrounding Buju Banton's son. Take a listen to this clip. And if you want to hear everything Foota Hype said, go check out the full video on Sonic Snap right now.
Is a straight man where get tempted and never act like girl. We never see my dress in a wig. First man, let me see about you can mean a big friend. Or one of them can go suck out them mother. Him come tell the public say a male member and family molest him for 7 years. You cannot be molested for 7 years.
I was molested as a child. I'm a male family member. She told me that I'm a faggot.